Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at an extensive work on word problem involving linear equation. In our previous lesson, we worked on word problem involving linear equation, and we did quite a good job on it. So we're given just a question to test ourselves with, and here's a question. A father is 9 times older than a son. The father would be twice older or twice as old. When we talk about twice, it means 2 times. Twice older than a son. What number of years? 5 deducted from the difference in their present ages number of years after. So this place is quite a complex place. You need to understand the use of English for you to be able to get this place right. Now, how old are they now and thereafter? How old will they be after that? So quickly, let's interpret this. A father is 9 times older than the son. So for the father, we are not given the ages of any one of them. So what we're going to do is this. Let's say the son. The son, there's a son, and this is a father. There's a son and the father. So let's say the son is X years old. And the father, since the father is 9 times older, the father will be 9x years old. Don't forget, 9 times, according to our terminology, is 9 times something. So that's the interpretation of the first statement. So now look at the second line. The father would be 2 times older than the son. When? When is that going to be? Is it going to be 20 years after? We are not told, but we are given a hint. 5 deducted from the difference in their present ages numbers of years. 5 deducted from the difference in their present ages numbers of years. So what's the difference in their present ages? The difference in their present ages is, now don't forget that difference simply means subtraction. A bigger figure subtracting a smaller figure. Are we trying to take away a smaller figure from a bigger figure? So 9x minus x, yes, which should be 8s, yes. So 5 deducted from the difference in their present ages numbers of years. So 5 deducted from the, that will be 8x minus 5 years after, which is after. That means 8 years minus 5 years after. That means 8 years minus 5 years time. So instead of us to be given the number of years after, we are given it in a form of puzzle. So 5 deducted from the difference in the present ages numbers of years after, which is 8x minus 5 years after. So let's see what's going to happen 8x minus 5 years after. So the son is going to be how old? That'll be son here, the father here. Let's see how old the son will be 8x minus 5 years after. So the son that was x years old will become x plus 8x minus 5, just like this. Now the father will be 9x plus 8x minus 5 years after. So we're going to open up the bracket. So that is x plus 8x minus 5. Here is 9x plus 8x minus 5. So x plus 8x is 9x minus 5 years. But this is 17x minus 5 years. These are all there will be 8x minus 5 years after. So the question is, the father would be twice older than the son in this numbers of years after. The father will be twice older. So what does it mean? If the father will be twice older, it simply means for us to get the father's age, we have to multiply the son's age by 2. For example, if the son is 4 years, what's going to be the father's age? The father will be 4 times 2, which is 8 years old. So 8x minus 5 years after, the father will be 2 times or twice older. So that's going to be 2 times 9x minus 5 equals to the father's present age, 17x minus 5. So we're going to open up this bracket. Don't forget, purely linear equation plus 2 times plus this, that's 18x. 2 times this minus 10 equals to 17x minus 5. So we're going to collect our like terms. I want the unknown, that's the x, to be on the left-hand side, s equals 2, just like this. So that's going to be 18x minus 17x. And we're going to send minus 10 over to the other side. That'll be plus 10 minus 5. So we're almost home. So 18x minus 17x will give us x. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. So it means that presently the son is 5 years old, as you can see right up there. So presently the son is going to be 5 years old. That's the son's age. Presently the son will be 5 years old, and the father will be 9 times 5 years old. the father will be 45 years old. That is 9 times 5, 45 years old. So when I say 8x minus 5 years after, what does that mean? 8 times 5 minus 5. So 8x minus 5 years after will be 8 times 5, which is 40 minus 5, which is 35 years after. That's just that as a puzzle there. So what's going to be their ages 35 years after? As you can see, just add the 35 years to the 5 years for the son. The son is going to be 40 years, and the father will be 75 years. As simple as that, as easy as A, B, C. So if you got this right, it means you understood what we took in our previous lesson. It means you got it. So at this very point in time, we'll be drawing the curtain on today's lesson. So if you found this resourceful, please subscribe to this very channel and share this very exposition with others. So see you in the next lesson. Thanks.